Our Luscious are pigment powders mixed with mica powder and also a binder, and the reason why you get such great colours is because we use a pure pigment, which is normally what you put into paints. So it comes in powder form and you can use it in many different ways. The first way, most popular, is to take a wet paintbrush, dip it into the powder and then work it into a paste on your mat, or you can use one of our ink palettes and mix it in with water, and then you get a really good rich colour with sparkle from mica, and the binder allows it to stick. And then these can be reconstituted just with spraying with some water. So that's the most popular way, great for colouring in. Secondly, you can actually mix this with our super thick Slap-It-On. In fact, all of the Slap-It-On range can be mixed with our Luscious pigment powders, and that way you can add colour to these. So if I just take a tiny bit of this, mix it in, even though it's got a little bit of water in, that's fine. And it goes white, but it will dry clear, so you'll just get the sparkly, luscious, beautiful colour coming through when you put that on, either directly onto a piece of card or if you actually go through a stencil. So I'll just show you some through a stencil. So you can see here that we've actually put it through a stencil, but also we've dribbled some of the Luscious powder mixed with water down the card here. This is a dry piece that's actually mixed with the ultra thick Slap-It-On through a stencil, but I've actually coloured it with different colours of the Luscious powders, and that's the sort of effect that you can get with that. And this one is using it to colour in. This is a stamped and embossed. I've used it to colour the background, and I've also done some stenciling as well with the super thick Slap-It-On. It goes just as well onto fabric. This is a piece of canvas. You can mix it with fabric Slap-It-On to make it fabric safe. This one here is quite good because you've got multiple uses. You've got it coloured in here and with the stencils as well. And finally, this one again, coloured in, background use, painted on to give that lovely sort of beautiful mica shift that you get with these.